recent years, there's a steady growth in fitness awareness. The reason why people strive to improve their fitness can range from just improving physical appearances to getting stronger and more agile. Regardless of the reason, there is no scarcity of information available nowadays to help you achieve your goals. There is a fine line between an intense workout and injuries. Fitness-related injuries can add to one's frustration, shatter one's enthusiasm, and turn the gym setting into a space of disappointment. I believe that by learning the basic principles of fitness from a medical practitioner who is a fitness enthusiast himself can be beneficial in customizing a program to suit your needs and to achieve your goals. We at the PD Hinduja Hospital and Medical Research Center have conceptualized the fitness clinic with this intent.